Hey guys, Cars on the Fritz here. Alright, so we're going to play around today. I think I figured out a way to film the welding so you guys can see my puddle. It'll give me a chance for me to see my puddle a little bit more than I can. And we're just kind of roll with it. I'm going to try some tips and tricks and types of things today and see if we can manage to get this flux core welder that I have to put out a better weld than what I have been putting out. We'll see if it works. It should be kind of fun. And then today I'm probably going to be working on the shop. It's time to seal this and go out and buy the floor because I got to get this more functional. Like, I got to work. I need to make this work. Gotta get this going. So time to clean and fix and finish and all that stuff. But right now, fun with welders. So we're gonna run a bead right as it sits and see what happens, and then go from there. All right, guys, let's give this a shot. Find somewhere to put my name file. I'm gonna fall in the dirt. It won't get welding spatter on it. Alright. See if we can pull this off. Okay. Alright. Let's see if we can pull this off, huh? It's almost impossible for me to see what I'm doing right now, so. Well, that was interesting. I definitely need more arc length, I'm sure. I wonder what you guys can see. I don't know. I mean, it doesn't look too bad. That was a mess. Once again, I can't see what you guys can see, so. I'm gonna run one more bead down here. And then we'll stop. Oh yeah. See, that doesn't look bad. Smoking. It doesn't look too bad at all. I hope you guys can see that. I hope this is working. And I hope you guys can see all the crazy spatter that ended up even on my piece that's underneath this. I mean, this spatter level is insane. So, alright, let me stop the camera and we'll go from there. Alright guys, so you guys just watched me do that from under the hood. I don't think that video came out nearly as good as I wanted it to. So this is what I did. right here. These kind of horrible looking beads. There isn't nearly as much spatter for some reason right now as there has been, and I was able to knock off a lot of the spatter just by touching it with a wire brush. What's funny is that, like, this is stuff I did the other day right here, and it doesn't come off nearly as easy. So why is that? So, you know, we have this stuff that I just did, and we're gonna try and set this up again to where you guys can kind of see it. And I'm actually gonna spray the damn thing with non-stick cooking spray, and we're gonna go from there. So let's see what happens next. Alright. I'm sure this is probably kind of a horrible camera angle, but it's as good as I can get with what we're doing, because this is kind of crazy. So I have everything slathered down with the non-stick cooking spray, and we're gonna run another bead or two. And I mean, I don't really have anything to weld to this. I mean, maybe I can find something. I don't know. I don't really think it's that big of a deal if I'm just running beads or not. So supposedly, when you weld with the non-stick cooking spray, it smells like French fries. So we'll see if that's true or not. All right, let's give this a go and see what happens. I'm probably just gonna run some beads, and that's it. Interesting. Alright, let's try like one more. Maybe two more. Maybe I'll flip it around. Huh. Alright, I'm enjoying myself too much, so let's see if we can keep going. These are some odd angles, but you know. That's interesting. Ooh, fire. So, non-stick cooking spray is flammable? Maybe? That's interesting. Definitely getting more smoke than I would normally. So that was fun. Alright, let's I'll stop recording through the hood and we'll check this out. Hold on. Alright, so we had our cooking spray fun, and these are the beads that turned out from the cooking spray. I really shouldn't move the camera to the bead, I should move the bead to the camera, or, yeah, you know what I mean. Alright, there we go. I don't know, I mean, maybe it worked, but it makes a hell of a mess, like with cooking spray everywhere. I don't know. Yeah. I don't see, I don't know, I mean, there's less spatter, but I don't think the fucking welds are any better. But that's probably user error instead of the welder for that. I don't know. I'm still not too fond of this welder. I'm about to purchase another one. Alright, sorry guys, taking a glove off. This was my fun little attempt to see through the, you know, because you see all the videos online of all these like people running beads and it looks perfect with the way they're filming it. And I wanted to see if I could pull that off. It didn't look that way to me. So, alright guys, this was fun. Keep watching, liking, subscribing, all that craziness. We're on the road to 300. I'm about 10 subscribers away from 300, which is really cool. So, alright guys, I'll talk to you later.